The Information Technology and Communication Minister, Government of Meghalaya, who is also the local MLA of MYLLIEM, Hamletson Dohling, today the 25th of March 2022, unveiled the foundation stone for the improvement of roads and drains at Lawsohtun Block 2 and also the approach road to UMJASAI at Block 5 of the same village. As per information by the Chief Engineer of National Highway PWD Roads, GK MARAK, the current sanctioned amount for these two projects is more than rupees 2 crores 50 lakhs. On the same day, the MLA also contributed rupees 50,000 to the sports club that will be participating in the upcoming football tournament organized by the Shillong Sports Association. While addressing the gathering, Hamletson Dohling said that as a public representative, he does not want to merely unveil the foundation stone that has been neglected for years, but also would sincerely desire to see that work should start immediately. He also said that the money has already been sanctioned and work, which is likely to start in the coming week, has been allotted to contractors. Dohling added that a time frame of 18 months has been fixed for the completion of the project.
Kawai gede kat sesrok kemelech ti siang jong ikomira nang ti report main road barbar pada gede bat penbai ke srok kinala jong gede kadong block 2546 dikini ki art liki belayo sanction ki ban setreno belum mentah ki koi kemba art crores san ulang tengah scam jadi ke persang jonga namta ke biang jong kasnong kalong ke jumantoin ke pi pai barang sesnong video ya pinyeng nanti babha baru video panya doganolo ke jengkit ke jengba Bapi udah kam kan pensuksi buat dia nanti jadi kum kenong song snom. Jika sekian bah belum mana nanti yang jengba jika marak bah ke tendar balik ke wadar lebanai bah instang no mentak harian lasam tayo. Kumbah jong nak kapor man kisnong bangale bat man ki manongrim ki bagang apli ngasi ong bagang kuat bagi yang tak ki manongrim. Pli manongrim mentang terakhir last name terakhir sauce name. Kini mentak kapor kum disu balong ta. Dia tak dia cuma man ki manongrim bagang pli menta tak ba lai sauce ki la tray yak tray. But hani polston ru kalong kum ta. Namalan ngala male kum ta kum hindu yajing sesnya yang nak sesnom. Hindu sesnya yang jong de bar snom. Tikum ta hak tayo banwan borok ki doktor ki tray no ay kam bagian jong office ki ai kalain tam tak jong ki.
Dohling urged upon the public to work together with the department and create no obstruction to the road projects so that construction work can be carried out in a smooth manner and for the same to be completed within the proposed time period. He also informed that as an MLA, he had already sanctioned more than rupees 65.15 lakhs for Lawsohtun village from the MLA scheme and is currently awaiting the release of another sanctioned amount of about rupees 10 crores for the construction of an indoor stadium in the village.
Bagi jikapat juga kalau ba kemalo mane ngini train kan. Kita nak terkat dengan juga tabar snom, dengan juga barang snom, dengan juga office, baru bar kontraktor. Dan lagi train kan ngin la bar pedem hakapor kepala bot. Kita kalau jikapat juga bar ngini train kan nam dengan kam marba kadai nam tak bet kabiang jong pe barang snom jong satu hi bro kowe. Di kini hi kalau ke bang kalau pasang balik lihat jonga dikumbang itu orang kat pilih sport itu train kan ngini train kan banga gue beli. Tapi train kan banga beli si bon ba akan peroi karwan pak song jongpi. Si bon ba. Jika sogan sione baga darbar snom tidak kita snom ki barem bar ki bam daru hijui train kan banga. Kini kalau kata kesin bawah bar kalau ru kejuman toy namta ki pai bar snom la satu ni pro kowe. Jangan mata kita peroi pasal Lawsohtun ngasko ba itu ni baru banai ka ia ka report ka pokasnong ba kadon ke scheme nado banga job banga tang MLA scheme ke bala sanction dia juga kalau ba repusan lat 6% poten ka nado arja ka pra kandai hado kat manta mane repusan lat 6% pola sanction nam tak MLA scheme tang apok song Lawsohtun ka bomon jisna yaki surok yaki nala Kejisna yaki school playground ke sitting gallery nam tak ketika jika thang beri hote po juga sengkasi di solar still light bat ka jisna ru yaki atrium ke jisna ru nam tak dukan jam tak norep ke poi gumba representan sispa sampu tangka kabeli ke skim emeli ke juga kepala ai namta jopi ke stong Lawsohtun hi bro away episode hi ke MYLLIEM konstitusi kedai ke bahaya melak beratan sibun dengan skop berhapi bedai kalau ke bun pha dia baga ngati sasat skim jopi di piru ke chingi ti sasat changa mo tenang ta baderu nasukwa itu piang ni ba kedik industri keba lamut banora ani mentang yam setang ya kesaksian bagi nyo kapoi ba sipo protam bagisna ya kene ke industri ade posong Lawsohtun tiga skam tang isi banwan nyo ya kesaksian bagi nyo berkot no ya ketanda naba kam kan stam no tiga persang banora ki berkot ke industri gelenti kesengkit ki dijisa berkot kide ki diksna development ki badai pateng la buket kamne ki development bai manta do no la sai kide ki gam ki baglap ngaklong pateng la buket pinyo nama pikir song Lawsohtun hi borok kawai. Tiga jika pat juga togini terlang nam tak kebega biang, nam tak karoi kepat Lawsohtun hi borok kawai.